My bad. Yeah, I just took it into the shop, paid $2,600 to fucking fix everything. There's a broken valve, and now it's fucking misfiring again. I don't know if you guys have had any situation like this, but it's not as bad as the first time. The first time the car would die on idle. Right now it's idling, but it's rough and it has a check engine light. So yeah.